feels lighter now, like I finally learned how to breathe. I've been walking with my shoulders down, carrying things I don't need. Every mirror tried to tell me who I was supposed to be, but tonight the city's laughing, neon smiles on every street. I don't know my past a second of the man I used to be. I stopped asking all the questions that never gave me peace. Sometimes living is the answer. You don't have to overthink. Turn it up, let it echo, let the bad days fall apart. There's a golden noise inside us when we finally trust the spark. No more shadows in the corner, no more waiting for the sign. If the moment feels alive now, then it's already mine. I see freedom in your movements, in the way you don't pretend, like you're dancing with the present, not afraid of how it ends. Every laugh feels unprotected, every word comes out clean. There's no armor in this heartbeat, just the rhythm in between. All the weight I used to carry doesn't fit me anymore. I'm not chasing every feeling, I'm just letting myself go. Turn it up, let it echo, let the bad days fall apart. There's a golden noise inside us when we finally trust the spark. No more ghosts inside the silence, no more reading every line. If the moment feels alive now, then it's already mine. Let it play, don't slow it down. This is where we are now. Turn it up, let it echo, let the light stay on tonight. We don't need another reason if it feels this right. Yeah, the world can't